tuning in to my 2976th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Right off the bat, thank you to my loyal Omniacs who bought the Omni trading token. With your help, we flew right past the bonding stage, went right out, got approved, and we are now a listed legitimate crypto. I've seen it on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DexScreener, MEXC. I've actually seen it on Coinbase, but it's not tradable there yet. I guess it's got to grow a little more. But thank you all so much for participating. Now, here's the thing. Unlike a lot of other nuts that put out a crypto, I am not going to pull the rug on us. I am not going to bail out. I'm going to actually take some of these tokens, burn them, put them away in storage so that there's less of them. Keep buying, little at a time. Hold on to yours. We're a huge Omniac community, right? We're not just going to get in and sell. Here's what we'll do. Get in, if you're not in yet, Omni token. It's Omni trading token. You can get it very easily. Omni trading crypto coin is at pump.fun. At least that's where we began. But as I mentioned, with your help, we went through the bonding stages so fast you can find it elsewhere. But I'm streaming live on pump.fun each day, and my crypto's there as well, and it's a lot of fun. But here's what I'll tell you. If we all act as a community, we'll buy it up nice and slowly, right? And when we reach a legitimate chart point where I go, we should get out, I'll let you cats know. We'll get out of some. When it reaches a lower point, we get back in. We'll treat this like we would any other market. But don't just jump out for profit. Wait until we reach a chart point. Make this good for you. You know what I mean? I'll tell you this, you're in good hands with me. My family and friends are in this. My Omniacs are in this. This is our crowd. You're in good hands with me. I'll take good care of us, I promise. So, I can't promise the world of it, but I will tell you this. With your help and my help, we'll keep moving the Omni token forward, Omni trading token. And here's what I'm going to do. When I first created it, I was a little disappointed because I was told I couldn't make a utility out of it, but that's not the truth. I'm going to be able to take my Omni trading token and make it a utility. In other words, maybe you can come and purchase memberships at my site with the Omni token. Maybe some of you guys can end up with an Omni camp with the Omni tokens. Maybe I'll start letting you see some of the t-shirts and mouse pads and cups and all the stuff we make about Omni, but you guys don't get to it. Maybe I'll let you use your tokens to buy some of that if you want. So we'll find a way to put utility in this token. It's new. Give me a little time, build it up a little, and I'll put utilities in it, and we'll have some fun. But this is for us, Omniacs. This is for our community, and we'll take care of our own crypto, right? You've got me in your corner. Don't you worry about that. But legitimately, my crypto, your crypto, it's our crypto. But when we reach a point where it needs to be sold, we're selling it. I don't care if it's mine. I trade charts. I don't trade any other nonsense. So bear with me. Stay with me. Keep buying little bits on the way up. When we reach legitimate areas to take profits, we will. When we reach legitimate chart areas to get back in, we'll do the same. With that in mind, we always place stops first before we ever trade anything. Make sure you place your stops first because that's how you live longer in this risky business. It's risky. Put stops in first. David, if I don't drink water, I'm not finishing this video. It's getting dry in here. Much better. All right, so what's on the board for Rocktober 1st, 2025? The markets have been rocked so often this month, it's considered the worst month of the year. I promise you they're wrong. Go look at March's. It is not this month. It's got a reputation because of 87. We've had some major crashes on this day or during this month. But if you ask me, I've been trading 44 years. It's a lot more treacherous in March than it is in Rocktober. You ask me, Omni kicks ass in Rocktober, baby. So, Omni has been killing it in real-time recommendations. We had a fantastic September. I can't wait to put the trade up here. So we did a lot of trading in September. The month before was really slow in August. We got very few fills, and we still ended up making about $4,385 on one lot trades only following the Omni. I promise you September is 4 times that. We'll see. We'll see. I'm waiting for my 2 accountants. They're 2 separate accountants to come together with my Omni numbers for September. But here's what I'm going to tell you about these fantastic Omni trades I send out to everybody. Government shutdown or not, place your orders, Omniacs. If I send you a flash update, Put your orders in. I don't want to hear anything about, ooh, it might be a shutdown. If I send an alert, put your orders in. Why? Because Omniacs get great fills on reports and during heightened volatility. That's how we live. Put your orders in. We put our stops in first, right? Don't worry about that. Follow the Omni. If you get orders, if you get an order from me to put in an order, put the order in, no hesitation. The worst that could happen is our day trade stop gets hit and we live to trade another day. If you followed me through September, you got a few dollars to drop tomorrow. Don't worry about it. You know what I mean? Put your orders in. Omniacs get great fills during heightened volatility and during reports. That was the purpose of this video. Do not be afraid. We're going to find out about that shutdown, I think, midnight tonight. I am not a politician. I'm a trader. The Omni flipped to a green arrow. And that's it. I guess we're not having a shutdown, right? I believe this, not the morons on TV or in Washington. That is what I'm going with. Omni flipped to green from neutral. I'm going to say there's going to be no shutdown. However, maybe there is. I'm going to buy the dips, and that's all that matters. That's E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell. I will be buying dips. What else? Gold looks fantastic. So take a look at the gold charts, which you will see in this segment. Omni Trading Crypto, pump.fun. Make sure you grab your Omni Trading coin. Australia, hey man, I don't know if it's 8 days from now. I haven't done the math, but I think it is. I am heading to Australia very shortly. We're going to have a fantastic Omni camp there. I've got some great Omniacs that have known me for over 20 years, and they're in Australia, and I'm going to get to present to them. I can't wait. It's going to be fantastic. You Omniacs in Australia who are coming to camp, you will get an email this week from me and from Metastock. Make sure you follow the instructions in the emails. If not, you guys call me and I'll make sure that you're set up straight. But get ready, kids. Get ready for me to show up Australia. Get ready for Oscar. I hope you're going to be ready for him. All right, looking forward to that. If you are in Australia and you haven't decided if you want to come out to camp yet, you actually still have time. Go to omnibootcamp.com for Omni Camp in Australia. omnibootcamp.com. Fill out an app, but you better do that fast because soon I'm going to be on a plane and you're going to miss your chance. All right, so we've seen what was on the board. Put your orders in. I don't care what happens. Now, I want to show you the charts that are going to take us home for trading on Wednesday. Are you with me? Great. First, we're going to say this little mantra to ourselves because we do this in every video, and I know it helps so many of you out there. Keep your emotions at bay. And then after that, we'll look at some great charts. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Stop, soar, in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. Stops in, emotions are out. Now let's go. Look at some charts.
Good afternoon, traders.
Good evening, traders from across the globe.
Every time I've ever shown this to people, I have people that are like flag experts and they're flabbergasted. Say it with me. I will always place my stop first.
We're here at Omni Camp in Las Vegas with Oscar Carboni and a couple other gentlemen. Just came here mainly because I wanted my trading to be refined and defined.
The analysis I would use from trading without the Omni system was much more complex.
The genius of what we do is we've taken one of the most complicated things to do on this planet and simplified it to the point that I can sit here with 6th graders and they could easily do this, not even knowing how they're winning or why, but they could do this.
I know who the guy is because I've seen what he's done, but you don't know what the magic recipe is, right? And I get in here, and within almost the first day, the light starts coming on as to what his system is.
Anyone that's looking to join Omni Camp, if you have no experience, you don't care about any of that. All you care about is what the chart says. You'll be much better off for it.
There's almost a sense of relief that you see something, you have a plan, you see it, and then you go try to execute. That is brilliant.
And I think I got the discipline and everything I need to be successful with Oscar.
Omniacs from Australia, guess what? Omni Camp is coming to you. You don't have to go across the world. We're coming to you. Get ready. Go to omnibootcamp.com right now. It's happening on October 17th. There's only one Omni Camp, and that is there for you. Make sure you go to Omni Bootcamp now and fill out your applications. Traders, the Russell 2000 Daily Bar. Remember, Powell said a bad thing, we were Powellized, ba-bam. Well, guess what? We've graduated past the Powell stuff because we have short-term memory. Now, it's government shutdown time, yeah, we're going to shut down the government time. So now everyone's paying attention to that. It's like Powell never happened. Anyway, Powell knocked us down to here, and now Omni turned bullish. I don't know why. I'm not afraid. I'm going to trade it anyway, but Omni went bullish there. Nice average. Look at all the times it held there. Up the line, right? The average has just stayed up that line, and when it gets near it, it holds. So why not? Omni decided to flip. We are at a good spot. So maybe there won't be a shutdown. All I know is I'm putting in orders and getting fills if I can. Pump.fun for the Omni Trading token. It's called Omni Trading. Get it now. You know why? Because now it's still cheap. But guess what? Us Omniacs don't plan on keeping it that way. So make sure you grab some tokens and join me at Pump.fun where I live stream during the day. What's next? Yeah, that chart that I just showed you, it might have looked a little scary, but not when you look at the weekly of NASDAQ. I mean, look at this monster. Now, we have literally been using this chart for years. My Omniacs have been watching me construct this one for years, and it has given us amazing, amazing signals along the way. And just looking at this, this is the all-time highs we've ever traded. That's where it is now. There's nothing scary about that look at all, unless, of course, it turned around and dropped under here. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing scary about this at all. So longer term, 75.12 ES looks like it's still intact because NASDAQ looks certainly like it wants to go higher. Then we've got this. There is no stopping this insane freight train lately. Mr. Shiny Gold. All that glitters is gold. Look at this thing go. Silver can't even keep up with it anymore. It's just gone haywire, and we've got buy signals, buying the dips in gold after this massive sideways, if you will, move, which was a huge pennant, broke out of the pennant and just exploded. And it's pretty darn dynamic and still looks good up here. So we like the gold. Bitcoin, for you crypto fans out there, Bitcoin is making a decision. It's the same decision on this day. So now it's got to make a decision what it wants to do on Wednesday. Look at this average and look at every time we get to it, the decision that gets made. Every time. It's like a magical average. I've never seen anything like it. And here we are right now at that average. So what can I tell you? We got to wait. Gets above the average. It looks good. Gets below the average. Doesn't look so good. We need a one-day wait. No big deal. We're patient people. So we'll see what happens with Bitcoin. And then I thought I would just throw this out there because as I was doing analysis, this just popped up in front of me and I went, well, interesting how it's creating these and they work. Well, what the heck? If it's going to work, we'll keep doing it. And usually bear flags work better than bull flags. Why? Market gravity. You know what I'm saying? Things drop way faster than they go up. So you got a flag there. Soybeans looks like it wants to go lower. Just thought I'd point it out because these are working very nicely. And there's one here, so you might as well take advantage of it if you are a Grange trader. And that's about all I have on the menu for tonight, kids. I hope you join me at livewithoscar.com and join me at pump.fun where I stream live all day. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you all at my site at livewithoscar.com.